Good morning, everybody. It's Ginger from In Sheep's Clothing Yarn Shop here in Torrington, Connecticut, and I'm going to be doing a super quick reveal of today's 12 Days of Chicklets, our Advent calendar. We are on day 10, and I know I look like a crazy lunatic this morning. I've been trying stuff on in my hair. I can't get it to stay down. It looks like I have horns sticking up. But anyway, oh well. But I need to make this quick because I have an appointment to get to. So we've got 10 minutes. So let's do what we have to do. Hope you're having a great day. My day's going pretty good. Okay, I need to see which chick we're doing. And then, here we go. Yeah, this is one of my the earlier ones that I made. And this is just a cute little Fair Isle chick. Very cute. There we go. This is the, what do I call this one? This one I call something candy. Oh, Christmas ribbons. Reminds me of like remember the ribbon candy? So that's what this is about. So ribbon candy. And it's just a little cutie. She's adorable. And I love the calls and emails I've been getting about how much you're enjoying the chicklets. And so many of you are starting to order. If you've ordered the first 6, you're saying I want the next, the 7 and 12. So we're getting those together to get those out to you as quick as we can. So anyway, so this is just, you have your little chart and it's just color work. So it's one of those ones that you can just, I don't have to worry about a duplicate stitch. And I hope that little hint that I gave you the other day might be helpful to some of you. So, okay, so anyway, so that's that one. And I don't remember what else was in our little package this morning. Oh, I forgot. Okay, this. Okay, so this, we got a little baggie, a little, well, in case you're sensitive to the scent of lavender, you got little lavender, come on, open up. You got little lavender sachets. Oh yeah, that's right. Just remembered something about the sachets. Okay, so I happen to, the reason I put these, when it first came in, and when I ordered this, it first came in, it was like, woof, this stuff is really, really strong. But anyway, so there's your little bag of lavender. And what you can do, so I actually had a little bag of lavender that I don't know where I got it from, but I put it in, it kind of fell into my knitting bag, and then it ended up in one of my little knitting cases, my little notions cases. And I have to say, it gave me, every time I opened up the case, and I would get a little whiff of it. And I thought, well, that's really nice. So that's why you got lavender. But also, you can take this lavender and you could tuck it into your little chick when you're stuffing it. So you'll get a lovely lavender scented chick. So, I mean, that could be a really nice gift. Get some more lavender and put, it doesn't take much. Just a little bit, a little pinch in all of your chicks, and really give you a little aromatherapy. So anyway, so that was your little gift today. I'll just put it back in the plastic here. Hopefully it does not assault your sense of smell. Okay, so tomorrow, so that was day 10. 2 more days. I almost forgot this morning that I was even supposed to do this. So anyways, okay, we did that. Oh, and our little, let's see, we're really running out of room here because this is my really little tree. Put that there. Okay. Okay, so that's there. Just a couple quick things. One's a question that I want to ask, and I would really, really, really love your opinion. And actually, now I just realized, oh good, it's here. Okay. This was for local yarn shop day this past year. And you know I love the Alba. We've been using it for the chicklets. I love I love knitting with it. And so we did our, and I was really delighted when the local yarn shop day double the stitches. Oh, I'm gonna do a blank on her name. Jessica Eyes. She did the shawl. So I was so thrilled, and I loved making the shawl. I love how it feels. I love everything almost about it, except for one thing. And I even hate to say anything about it. And I looked at everybody else's shawls that were up on Ravelry and everything, and I'm just like, okay, they all kind of, it's not me. But when you start, and I tried to go looser and looser, mine, it's so tight. I'm afraid that if I'll break it. But I wanted to put it on because I wanted to talk about this for a reason. I love how it feels. In case you don't know, Alba is a sport weight yarn from Jody Long, and it is wool, alpaca, and viscose. And it's just a lovely blend, and it's really soft. And I got inspiration last night because there was a sweater when I was doing the Noro trunk show, and it had the sweater that I said I wanted to knit. Let me find the sweater for you. And I was all set to do it in the Silk Garden Tweed, which I like very much, that yarn. But all of a sudden I remembered, I have the Jody Long Alba. I know it's really dark. But I love the tweediness of it. And I know that if I made a cardigan, which is what the sweater is, I will wear it all the time. And it's the right weight. It's not too heavy. So I'll be comfortable, and it will not look so big and bulky on me. So for all those reasons, I love this sweater. Here, oh, it's this one here, and I've already packed it up because the trunk show is going to its next, the next shop. But this sweater right here, because I love the cables and lace on it, oh, I didn't even realize it had a pocket. Is it a pocket? I guess. Okay, didn't realize that. But anyway, I love everything about this sweater. I loved the weight of it. And all of a sudden it occurred to me, I know Silk Garden sock is a sport weight, as is Jody Long's Alba. And this really does, as you could tell in the shawl, I forget what needle size this was done on. I mean, granted, it's done more open because it's a shawl. But I'm thinking to myself, I bet you I could get the gauge. And if not, I can make the adjustments necessary to make that yarn work. Tell me if I'm crazy. Am I crazy? Should I do another color, like a color that I know would look well? Or do I do the color? I mean, I have been wanting, I keep saying every time I pick up this yarn, because I got some of this in just to do like little bits on the chicklets, and I'm just like, I love this color. I love the tweediness of it. And what I would do is I would knit it. I know it would be challenging for the eyes, but I would use the light colored likey needle so I could see my stitches. Tell me if I'm crazy. Should I do it? Should I go with the black? I mean, I suppose I could swatch it and see how awful it is. Or not awful it is to do it. And then I could go from there. But I was so excited last night when I thought about it. And that's all I could think about was, I really want to make it out of that. Probably never make another. I mean, it's like a really, it's black, but it's like, but the tweediness. And I just know I would live in it. But anyway, tell me what you think. Should I go with this? And then I can always, you know how I like to wear the cowls and stuff. I can always brighten it up with an accessory. where if I have a color, I'd have to find the right color that everything, all the accessories that I wear, because I would want to wear it all the time. That would go with that color. So it's just, this would be easy, so easy. Okay, let me know what you think. All right, now back to my other dilemma. This morning I had another like epiphany. I think this is what I'm going to do. So anyway, love this shawl. I wanted to put it on because I'm cold in here. I wanted to wear it. I can't wear it. This is so stinking tight that no matter how I try to wear it, I can't get it to sit right, because this is not stretching and letting it drape. So this morning, I'm like, the only way that I could do something short of ripping this out, which I don't want to do because I like everything else about it, is, do you think I'm mad if I were to take my sewing machine, sew along the edge down here, and then just remove this whole piece, and then to do, maybe pick up, I think that's what I'm going to do. Because otherwise I can't do anything with it. And I do love it. I love how it came out. I mean, I just like everything about it. And I would wear it. I would wear this. And this is holding me back. So I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to cut this off. I'm going to stitch it first, and then I'm going to cut it, and then I'm going to pick up and do an applied I-cord all the way along the edge. Yes, I've decided that's what I'm going to do. So anyway, that's what I'm going to do. I'll let you know how I make out with that. Okay, so now, okay, I said that, and then one last thing, and then I'm out of here. My husband's going to shoot me if I'm late. I started another cowl last night, and I see I dropped a stitch. So easy on the edge where I'm decreasing, especially at nighttime in here. And I want to work with black, right? Okay. But I'm using this yarn because I wanted to come up with something for this yarn. Fiji. It's a DK weight from Queensland. Semi-super washed, I think they say. Super wash. Treated for easy care. I don't know what I was thinking. But yeah, it's a super wash. But look at the colors. Aren't the colors pretty? But I just wanted to do something that I knew would be quick, easy, and would showcase the yarn. So I'm working on that. So I started this last night, and look how fast, even on DK weight, that it works up on. So anyway, so I'll be working on that today. And then I'll be back in the shop tomorrow to do day 11 of our chiclet countdown. Yeah, okay. So anyway, now I want to take the edge off that shawl. And I want to get right on it. I want to do it right away. I wonder, no, I have to cut it off. I'm just thinking, can I cut it off as I go? Can I do the applied I-cord and trim as I go? Rather than, because my sewing machine is buried right now, and I have to unbury it. I think I had to probably do a little maintenance to my sewing machine also before I even get started. So that's the only thing that would hold me back on this. I have so many other things to do besides do this. But it would just maybe help me one more step towards because this might be my Christmas Day cast on. Although I have a shawl that I want to cast on too. All right, I am talking and I should be getting out of here. So anyway, I hope you all have a great day, and I'll see you again tomorrow morning. Have a great night, and have fun with your chiclet. Bye-bye.